Hey guys, welcome to this video. Lucas Cepeda here. I want to really quickly do a demo video to show you exactly how AffiliEngine works, how easy it is to use, and how by giving this product to your customers, they are going to be able in minutes and with a few clicks to be able to capture, monetize, and follow up with their leads. Everything from one simple dashboard. So first off, let me show you a few examples of the landing pages, how they look like. We have here right now one in the Instagram niche, then we have one in the photography here as an example. We have here one for keto meal plans, and we have here another one for weight loss. So as you see, the landing pages are high converting. Now, in order to actually create a funnel, it's pretty simple. But first off, I want to show you how the whole funnel looks like and what's going to happen when you use AffiliEngine to build these high converting affiliate funnels. So right here, let's do an example. We're going to click on add email, and I'm going to click on download now. And you see I'm going to be taken instantly to our thank you page. They look awesome as well. It has a built-in redirect. It's not configured in this page. However, after a few seconds, this page would take me to my affiliate offer, so I could instantly monetize my new leads and get paid. And lastly, the download page that they get to build in a few clicks as well looks like this. So where you see we have a pre-header, a headline, and a link for them to instantly upload and give the report away for free. And below that, this is an upsell offer where they can simply add an image, banner ad, and their affiliate link, and then they can generate profits. And those are basically the three main pages that you can build with this funnel. Lastly, but this is very important, if I go now to my Gmail inbox, and I don't need to hit refresh, but in this case, you see the installation through the plugin sent us already the first email. It inboxed perfectly fine. It didn't went to promotion tab or spam, anything like that. And in the email, the download link is not configured yet. However, whenever somebody clicks on that first email, then they would be taken to the actual download page, which is this one. That's basically how the funnel looks like. And again, I have been using this funnel because it's very simple to use, and with this plugin you can set it up really in minutes, and you can test as many funnels as you want. Most importantly, find out if your landing pages are going to convert very quickly. You're going to be able to create really unlimited funnels in minutes, and you don't even need to overcomplicate it in terms of design. It's very simple. You just fill in a few settings, click save, and that's it. Also, we have on the front-end version, as I mentioned, 7 days follow-up. So if I go right here and click on create new, you're gonna see with one click the funnel gets created. These are all the pages. I only need to put here the name of my funnel, click publish, and that's it. Then I have to go to the settings page, and in a few minutes I would just pre-fill this information. I can select name, email, whatever else I want, change the background images, colors, etc., etc. And once I have done that, I would just simply click on save and continue, and the funnel builder will take me through all the steps. And lastly, this is the most important part. Again, you would go to settings, and this is where the fun begins. That you see here, you have already 7 days filled in with follow-up system. Really, it's very surprising the high level of inboxing that I get with this plugin. Mostly all the emails that are sent through this plugin land on my Gmail inbox. So that's going to be great for your clients to actually send emails out and get opened and get clicks. If that doesn't happen, they are not going to be able to make money. And that's basically it for the front-end product, guys. I hope you like it. It's really an awesome tool. I have been using it for a while. I have given it away for free as well to some of my previous customers, and so far they are loving it. Because really, for newbies and intermediate marketers, it's a fantastic way to build a funnel really quickly, easy, and don't even have to worry about configuring autoresponder sequences, integrating APIs, or anything else. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching.